Hi everybody, I'm so excited to tell you about a new class I have coming up. It's going to be available in person, yes, an in-person class, and it's available online. So for those of you that are not available, are not comfortable, or maybe just don't live close by, you can participate in this too. So I shared an event, I created an event for this class, and it gave you, there was a photo and it, just down from the top, and it showed you the designer paper and ribbon, that Cork specialty paper that's just gorgeous. And then it showed you just kind of the cards lying there flat. Well, I wanted to come on live and show you the cards and show you what they really all involve, because it's so much more than what meets the eye. So first of all, just a little quick background. The designer paper, let me grab that and attempt to hold it all up. Let's see how well I can do that. I think I got it. So these are the Beauty of the Earth designer paper. Just beautiful, beautiful patterns, and the colors are so perfect for this time of year. You could certainly use them in other seasons, but I think they lend themselves perfectly to the fall season that we're entering now. And so just those earthy, rich colors. And so that's what I used on these cards. So that's the designer paper that you get at the class. You also get some of this Cork specialty paper. And what I love about this is that there's like real Cork texture on here, and you can't tell from this, it's super, super thin. Like it's not, I don't know, like think of a coaster or something, and there's that layer of cork on the bottom. It's not like that at all. This is super thin, easy to use your regular adhesive on the back and add to your project without adding a lot of bulk to that project. So I love that paper. And then of course there's the gold fine art ribbon. You see the little bit of sparkle on there, and you get that too with your class fee. Everything is made with those products, and then there's two different optional add-ons for you. And this Beauty of Friendship stamp set is what I use some parts of, and the greetings from this on these cards. Of course, there's coordinating dies, which are always great to get. Okay, so let's get to the fun part, to the cards. I just want to walk you through each of these. If you attend the class in person, of course you'll have these samples here, and I'll be here to walk you through step by step. If you attend online, if you participate online, you're going to get access to an exclusive video where I walk through and show you everything. There's some folds on here that are kind of hard. I mean, there'll be some instructions, but they're kind of one of those things where it's easier if you see it. And so there'll be a video that will accompany your online class too. All right, so let's get started. This is the first one here, a thank you card. Obviously, we've got a lot of designer paper on this one, some of the Cork specialty paper, and then the label with the thank you from the Beauty of Friendship stamp set. And then on the inside, I used more images from that stamp set to just add that tree on the inside of the card. That's one of those things I know, like I love stamping on the inside, adding something special. And I feel like for whatever reason, I don't always take the time to do that. But I love the effect of that. It's just a little surprise that ties it all together. So this is the first card. It's pretty straightforward. It's got the gold ribbon, it's got the cork, and then the designer paper and stamping on the inside. Let's see, what's next? Let's do this one. Here is the next one. This is a fun fold here. If you see it from the top, that's kind of what it looks like. So it opens up. I've got a little bit of stamping on the inside. This is Misty Moonlight and Merry Merlot, and I really like these colors together for this time of year especially. Again, the gold ribbon, the cork paper. I did just a little labeling, I did the label background, and then I wanted to stamp on the white paper, so I just did that right over top on there. All of these, I should mention too, the greetings are all done with Memento black ink, so real easy and something you probably already have at home. So again, fun little fold with that. Let's do this one next. So this one you might have seen and just thought, oh, that's a really, really cute card. It's got the cinnamon cider, Merry Merlot, again, the Cork specialty, the gold ribbon, but check this out. It opens like this and then like this. So if you can kind of, let me hold it better. So it's got that quarter sheet as the card base, but then it opens like this. I like this because I love that you can see the other side of the designer paper. That's probably like the only possible negative thing about designer paper is that you have to put one side down, right? And so I like this because you can see both sides, and I just think the paper is so stunning. And then I pulled cork paper here and here. And then you might notice the label that's the background here. I did the exact same one in white to write or stamp a greeting on the inside. So that's just, you know, kind of a little more than maybe what you thought when you saw the photo of this card. It's not just a traditional card that opens with a layer of designer paper on the front. It's got that expanding inside there. Okay, this is the one that I might be most excited about. Again, you see the gold ribbon, you see the cork specialty paper, but I want to show you this fun fold on here. So this little belly band slides right on and off. And then this opens like this. I don't know if you've made a card like this before. I had not until I made this one. So it's just a fun little fold like that. I could show you really easily at the class or in the instructions how to use your paper trimmer to do that. So you'll have that fold, and then like I said, the belly band just slides down and is like that. So this class is something that you need to register for by September 30th. So I need to have time to get all the supplies ordered, everything cut and ready to go for the October 12th class. There is a morning 10 a.m. class and an evening 6:30 p.m. class. You can register for either of those. Or of course, there's that online option where I send you the package with all of the product and supplies, and then you do it on your own at your own convenience with the help of the instructions and the video that I do just for those people that do the online class. So I think that is everything. I will link to the events right here in the comments so that you can go directly there, see all the pricing, see the add-on options, and because the deadline is September 30th, and our Sale-a-Bration promotion goes through September 30th. If you do an add-on bundle, you're going to get to choose a free Sale-a-Bration item too. So don't miss out. It'll be lots of fun. I'm really excited just to show you these cards that are just a little bit more than meets the eye when you look at that picture. So I look forward to stamping with many of you very soon. Have a great day.